feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Cylinder 3 misfire after changing spark plugs could be due to several reasons. First, ensure the spark plug is correctly installed and tightened. Second, check if the spark plug type and gap match your vehicle's specifications. A misalignment here can cause misfires. Third, inspect the coil pack or ignition wire for cylinder 3. A faulty connection or damage can lead to misfires. Lastly, consider other engine components like fuel injectors or compression issues, as they too can cause misfiring.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.